Alright, so here we have our S30 aluminum race dash and the 240. I ran out to the boneyard so I could throw this in and show you guys the differences in mounting this in a 240. Like I had mentioned, it's a little different than the previous video going in a 280. The brackets on the top underneath are the same, go in the same locations. The two center ones, depending on how they're mounted, you may need to flex them a little bit to get them to line up with those holes. Really, they're just there to keep it from pulling away and vibrating. But one of the main differences is the way that these lower brackets mount. So you can see this bracket's a little different than it is on the 280, and it flares up. So what we've done here is we've included these two 90-degree brackets with the T's in them, and basically you're able to adjust them up and down and side to side. And so what we've done is bolted it through the slot, because this is slightly offset as well, and then mounted it to here. This tab does end up flexing down a little bit, but it actually helps hold the dash nice and rigid. So get a little bit of a close-up on that. The other side is the same, just a mirror. And then, obviously after you get that all mounted, you still have the side plates that come in and cover all that up. The other difference is the center mounting. I'll show you that next. Okay, so the center of this is a little different than on the 280. We have a aluminum console for the 240 that runs all the way back and comes underneath the OEM dash. And that'll still fit in here, but it ends up leaving a little bit of a gap. I'll have a picture of it on the website. It doesn't look bad, but it doesn't tie all the way up into here. And so what we've done is we've taken, basically modified the mini console that we have for the 240, and we've adapted it for this. So these are factory mounting locations, so that'll mount there. And then on the top here is a flange that forms back underneath, so we just got to reach underneath here, and there's two holes that are slotted that you can tighten this and tie it directly into the dash. So this will be an option in the drop down menu to be able to add this. I guess the other difference with the 240 is the way your defrost vents mount. If you're deciding to use the factory defrost vents, in the 280 they're mounted to the firewall, and at 240 they're mounted underneath the dash. And so the defrost vents actually need to be mounted into the dash, and I'll get the dash pulled out and get a quick little video of how to do that for those of you that want to see it.